If you found this video in the recommendations, then maybe you're also someone who feels motivated all the time but really doesn't know what to do with it. See, sometimes we find ourselves having these waves of motivation inside of us to basically do something or achieve our goals, and we also start working on them, but then suddenly all the motivation fades and we quit. Alright, so let's talk properly. I myself have went through this problem. I used to work, but when I didn't see any progress, I just used to quit and never come back. What this does is that you are basically trapped in a loop of guilt. You feel guilty to have done nothing, and that guilt results you into being motivated to do something. You do it, but when the motivation fades, you're again stuck in that guilt. You see, it took me a lot of time to realize this, but I'm going to tell you in just a few minutes. Basically, the main problem is that you think the problem is with the motivation. You think that because the motivation fades, that's the reason why you stop working on your goals. Well, that's wrong. Your problem is not motivation. The problem is that you don't have a system to basically use that motivation to achieve your goals. Now, I know this question will pop up into your mind. How can I build a system? Or what is meant by building a system? Basically, whenever you feel motivated towards a goal and you want to achieve, you need to isolate yourself in a system. Now, in this system, you're basically going to judge your success rate not by results, but by your effort. See, the problem is that you quit when you see that you're getting no results. For example, you go to the gym for a week, you see that you get no results, and you quit. You post 3 videos, or you post 6 videos, or you post for 10 days and you see there are no results and you quit. The problem is that you measure your success rate through the results. But in this system, you're going to judge your success rate through your effort. Through your input, or through the work that you're basically doing. So instead of judging yourself upon the fact that if your video got views or not, you're going to judge yourself based upon the consistency with which you post it. So now suddenly your success rate are not views, but they are regularly posting. And that's where you'll build the consistency. Once you're consistent, then your success rate in this system will go up. And now that should motivate you to keep going, not the results. Do not focus on the results, just focus upon your consistency. And when you view it this way and you view it in this system, you're going to achieve a lot more, because now suddenly you don't even care about if you're getting the results or not, but you're just consistent on doing it every single day. And trust me when I say this, every little drop adds up into becoming an ocean. So every little drop of effort that you add per day will absolutely result into becoming an ocean of success when you look back at it after some time. By using this system, you'll judge your success rate upon if you went to the gym or not. If you went to the gym, that's a success. If you did not, you failed. You're not going to judge yourself by looking in the mirror and actually looking for results, but you're going to judge yourself based upon the fact that if you went to the gym today or not. And see, this system can be used anywhere in any field. You need to sit down and you need to think, how can I implement this system in my case? In this system, you're going to reward yourself when you actually do the effort and not by looking at the results. So sit down and design the system for your own scenario and start implementing it. And that's it for today. Until next time, take care.